Okay, where do we start? Betalist.com. Basically, this one is a website featuring upcoming internet startups and give us a chance to discover and get early access to the future. Well, to me, this site is great and it shows us a changing market, what ideas that people come up, what sort of problem they're trying to resolve during these days. So for those of you who's still thinking about the idea for your startup, I would recommend to go here. Do some research on the areas that you want to go or the one that you're familiar with. You probably end up with the same idea but better solution. So as you can see here, we got a changing market such as SaaS, productivity software, and apps, just to name a few. So let's go into apps. Well, there are lots of apps along with the great ideas in here. The other good thing, which is the main reason we came here, is to create a landing page or coming soon page. And yes, we need one. But the chances are you don't know what your landing page should look like or what design you should use, things like that. Then go around, open a number of sites and select a couple of them that inspire you and learn from them. So in the next video, we'll be analyzing some typical landing page of real startups. Let's get a tour to a couple of startup listing on beta list. Morning Mail. Morning Mail is an app and obviously the designs tell you straight away. The message is simple and clearly demonstrated by the GIF image on the left. This approach is quite creative and shows the user their outstanding feature in just a few seconds. They also have the input for dropping email to get early access. Let's move on to the other app. This guy having the same concept, demonstration on the left and features on the right, and the input for email underneath. They also provide links to their social networks so people can easily to follow up the process and updates. The design looks modern and tell you exactly what the app's about. So if you want to create an app or something similar, you might be inspired by this concept. Let's have a look to the other styles. It's clear and clean. The header immediately explains why you should use their service and big request early access button. This is actually asking for the visitor emails who might be interested in their site. Moving down, we can see a screenshot of their UI interface, which gives you an idea of how it works. The image had a social network and sharing function, which is a cool thing to promote their site. So keep going down, and we can see the key features that Benchmail supports and that would be benefit clients and solve their problem. One thing I should mention is that during this day, the most popular change in design website is to create a responsive one so people can easily open site on mobile device without breaking the layout. And let's see how it looks in a device, mobile device. Right, that's the Benchmail. And here's a website that we've seen before. Morning Mail. Cool. It's enough for this session. In the next one, we'll be discussing on how to create our very first landing page quickly and easily without any HTML knowledge. To create our landing page quickly and easily without HTML knowledge, we'll be modifying a free template that already supports all cool features we need, and we don't have to create everything from scratch. Let's go to the starbootstrap.com. These guys offer a range of free templates with open source, and we can use them even for commercial purposes. I'll be teaching you the skills so you can apply it for any template or site that you want. But for now, this is the one that we're going to use. Essentially, this covers most feature and design we need. It has navigation, header with background and message along with different sections such as service, portfolio, about, team, and contact. In fact, we're not going to take them all and we just keep things that matter to us. And here is what we're going to build. So we just completely create a new one. We change the company's name and we go to service here, features, and notify. All right, that's just what we're going to use. As a modern landing page, it's responsive and different session. I promise you, after the next video, you will make it yourself with your own version in less than 50 minutes without knowing much about HTML. It's just a game of changing text, color, icons, and image. Just simple as that. I'll see you in the next video.